Have you ever stepped into a room only to be greeted by a strong and unpleasant smell that makes you want to leave right away? Don't worry, because with this simple method your space will once again smell absolutely wonderful and inviting. Stay with me until the very end and I promise you will never want to buy chemical air fresheners from the store again. To begin, take a clean glass container that you can dedicate to this project. After that, prepare some cotton. You can use loose cotton, cotton balls, or even cosmetic pads if that's what you have at home. Line the bottom of the container with enough cotton to create a soft base, but don't overfill it. The goal is to leave enough space for the other ingredients that will bring the fragrance to life. Once that is done, put the container aside for a moment. Now we'll prepare the second part of this recipe. Grab another bowl or container and add 4 generous tablespoons of coarse salt. It's very important to use coarse salt rather than fine table salt because the larger crystals help release and intensify the scent much better. Once the salt is ready, pour in 4 tablespoons of alcohol at around 70% strength. If you don't have exactly that percentage, any other type of alcohol will still work effectively. Stir the salt and alcohol thoroughly until they combine into a fragrant base. Return to the container with the cotton and pour this mixture gently over it. Make sure the cotton absorbs the liquid evenly and spread it carefully so every piece is moistened. This helps the fragrance release consistently. The time has come for the most magical ingredient, essential oil. I personally enjoy using lavender because it has a calming and pleasant aroma, but you can select whichever scent you like most, whether it's citrus, mint, rose, or anything else. Add a few drops, but not too much since essential oils are very concentrated and only a little is needed. Next, sprinkle a few cloves over the cotton. These little spices not only provide a warm and rich aroma, but also naturally repel insects like flies and mosquitoes. They give your room a unique, cozy touch while keeping pests away. After that, break 1 cinnamon stick into smaller pieces and place them inside the container. Cinnamon not only smells amazing, but also helps keep ants from entering the space. Arrange the cloves and cinnamon nicely for a pleasant appearance. Once everything is in place, cover the container and let it rest for about 30 minutes. This waiting period is crucial as it allows all the ingredients to merge together and create a stronger, longer-lasting aroma. After half an hour, your homemade natural air freshener is ready to use. The beauty of the simple recipe is that it not only eliminates bad odors, but also keeps your space smelling clean and fresh for up to 5 days. You can put it anywhere, whether it's your bedroom, living room, bathroom, or even your office. On top of that, the combination of natural ingredients works as a gentle insect repellent. Give this method a try and enjoy the difference. I am sure you'll be pleasantly surprised at how easy and effective it is. Don't forget to share this tip with a friend who might need it, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Until next time, stay fresh and enjoy your naturally scented home.